I managed to pick up a pineapple from the
So I'm heading out to find something interesting to do.
Oh my goodness.
This is the kind of weather that I don't really like about Tokyo. The gloomy sky, coupled with the vastness of the place, just create the kind of sadness that I don't even have the words to describe.
So I'm heading out to find something interesting to do.
Guys, I think it was a really bad idea that I came outside. It's drizzling and there's not much to do here except finding something to eat. I was planning to sit inside, but it was full, so I'm gonna stand here outside. So guys, I was planning to do some vlogging around the Shimbashi station, but the greedy rain couldn't allow me to pull out my phone to film. But on my way home, I managed to pick up a pineapple from the green market. So right outside my place, there's a green market which sells fresh vegetables. It opens 4 days a week and their vegetables are way cheaper than the ones sold at the typical Japanese supermarkets. Guys, I'm training right now and tell you what, it's very windy outside.
Oh my goodness. The wind is so strong.
Guys, I have a question for you. When it's rainy like this, what do you like eating? I'm going to make a sandwich. So here is the sandwich. Look at it. It looks so nice. Let's have a try. If you like what you are seeing, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.